Good morning, students. Today we will be starting with a new topic, that is volume. Okay, so volume, I have already shared two videos related to volume. First thing is that it will tell you what do you mean by volume. Volume is the space occupied by an object. Okay, how much space it will occupy when you will keep on the surface, that is the volume of that object. Okay, so now volume is always measured in cubic units. It is written here na cubic units, so it is always measured in cubic units. Always keep that in your mind. I will show you, for example, if we are talking about these boxes, so the space that is occupied by this boxes is the volume of this boxes. जितनी space जो है occupy करेंगे उसको volume कहेंगे. Okay, so now a Rubik cube has 27 unit cubes, so its volume is 27. So how many squares are there? If it is having 27 cubes, it means that the volume of this Rubik cube is 27 cubic units. Okay, so now there is one more question here. Find the volume of the solids given below. Number the cubes in the solid. Just write down the number of the cubes. How you will count? 1 2 3. You will count like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Similar wall, this similar 8 cube wall will be behind it, so it means that there are 16 total 16 cubes and the volume is also 16 cubic units. Now next one is, we have to write the number again: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so here 9 cubes are there. How many are behind? 1 2 3, so there are 3. So 9 into 9 9 plus 9 plus 9. So here 9 plus 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 9 is equals to 27. So there are 27 cubes and the volume will be 27 cubic units. Okay, you can write 9 into 3 also, or 8 into 2 also, that will be 16, right? So 9 into 9 or 9 into 3, both are same. You can do it by yourself. Now this one is quite easy. We have the same type of questions here. Calculate the volume of the following shape by counting the numbers of cubes. So if you count these numbers: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So there are 10 cubes in first wall, and then it means that second wall will all be having same number of cubes, that means 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20 units, or 2 plus 10 is 20 cubic units. You will write like this. Now next one is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 cubes are there, and how many are behind? 1 2 3 4. You will count from here: 1 2 3 4. So 11 multiplied by 4 is equals to 44. So 44 cubic units will be the answer. Now here if you will count, so how many are there? 1 2 3 4 4. Then you are having 4, and here if you will count, so 1 2 3 4 5. So 4 5 the 20. Okay, so it means that 4 and 5 the 20. So you can write it here: 4 5 the 20. It is 20. Now here 1 2 3 4, and here 3. So 4 into 3 is equals to 12, right? Now you will count like this. Here it means that how many are there? 1 2 3 and 3, right? So you will write here 3 into 3 9. 3 ऊपर से and 3 नीचे से. So 3 into 3 9. Now here 1 2 3 4 and 2. 4 to the 8, right? 1 2 2 2. So 2 into 2 4 and 1. Now you just total this thing up. So 20 plus 12. 20 plus 12 is 32. 32 plus 9 41. 41 plus 20 plus 30, 32, 32 plus 9, uh, so 20 plus 32, 32 plus 9, 41, 41, sorry, 22, 30, 12, 32, 32, or 41, 41 plus 4 is 41 plus 4 is 43, 45, 45, 46, 46 plus 4, here 50, it means it will be 50, right? I've done one mistake here. We cannot count this number here because it is already counted in this, so we have to count here only these two. Okay, these two you have to count. So 4 to the 8, 20 plus 4 to the 8, 20 plus to 8, 28, 28 plus 9 is 28 plus 9 is 37, 37 plus 4, 37 plus 1 is 38, 38 plus 4 is 38 plus 4 is your 42, 42 plus 4 is 46. So 46 cubic unit is the answer. Here the cubes are already hidden. Okay, in this the cubes are always hidden, so you have to count that cubes also. Please do remember, I cannot count the hidden cubes, but we have to count that. Okay, so now the volume of the water tank is 500 liter. Next question, how many buckets of 10 liter volume are required to fill the water tank? Next question. So here the volume, water tank volume is 500 liter, means 500 liter can come in a water tank. That is the volume of the water tank. And here it means that bucket is of 10 liter volume. So volume of the bucket is 10 liter, means 10 liter volume, in 10 liter water can come in the bucket. So we have to find that how many buckets are required to fill the water tank. Okay, so now the volume of the water tank is 500 liters, the volume of bucket is 10 liters. Now number of bucket required, so we have to divide the volume of the water tank with the volume of bucket. So 500 upon 10, 0 will cut 0, so 50 buckets are required to fill the water tank. Okay, next question is, 4 liter of juice is poured into 12 bottles, each of which has the capacity of 300 ml. How much juice is poured and how much juice is left? So here 4 liter of juice is poured in 12 bottles. So it means 4 liter juice is there and 12 bottles, each of the capacity 300 ml. So the total quantity of juice we are having 4 liter. 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml. We know that 4 liter will be, if we change it into ml, because one is given liters and one is given in milliliters, and I have told you many times that we always have to change it into same units. Okay, so we are changing this into milliliters. 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000 ml. Now capacity of one bottle is 300 ml. It means that capacity of 12 such bottles will be 12 multiplied by 300, that is 3600, or quantity of juice that can come in 12 bottle, that will be 12 multiplied by 300, 3600. Now quantity of juice left will be 4000 ml minus 3600, that is 400 ml will be left. Okay, last question of this chapter, how many glasses of volume 250 ml are required to fill a can of volume 5.5 liters? So volume of can we are having 5.5 liters, which means 5 liters, 5 milliliters. So 500 you can put. So 5 multiplied by 1000 ml and 500, this 5 will become 5 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 5500 plus, that will be the 5500 ml. We have already changed this in a quantity chapter in which we have changed the units. So I hope that you can change 5.5 liters into milliliters. Now volume of glass is equals to 250 ml already. So number of glasses required will be 5500 divided by 250. Same question like question number 2. So here 0 will cut 0, 550 come and 25 come in the same table, 5, that is 11, 25 come at 5 and 55 come in 11, and this 0 we will write like this, 5 will cut, 10 come in the table of 5 at 2, and 10 come in the table of 5 at 2. So 22 such glasses will be required to fill the cane. Okay, so by this we have completed our chapter. So as you don't have class on Thursday and Friday, so it's your homework that you complete this worksheet in your book, in your notebook. You have to complete this exercise. This is your homework. Okay, so today is 6. Please write down the date and worksheet number and start doing your worksheet in your notebook. Okay, bye bye students.